Hey everybody, Super Beast here. I just wanted to do a video on the catch can. This was installed probably 400 kilometers ago. I decided to take it off now and check it just because I am fixing a fuel leak on the STI that was caused by the install of the turbo inlet. I was driving it home and I felt gas, or I smelt gas. And I knew right away where it was coming from, and it was that one where I turned the clamp around because it was facing in a really dumb position. Maybe it wasn't dumb after all. But anyway, I had to move it because the screw would have been touching the intake. So anyway, I'm going to take this apart. You can hear something in there. My suspicion is that it's going to be a little bit oily water. And why do I say that? Because we live in a colder climate, and running those long lines with the steam generated from the engine is going to cause little water droplets in the lines and this because of the colder weather. But the nice thing is that this is catching it, 98% of it, whereas before it was just going straight into the intake. So let's take a look what's in here, what lies beneath. Oh yes, she is a little watery, and yep, water droplets, you can see it. So there's some oily smelling water, oily colored water. It's pretty much considered perfectly normal in our climate, especially with the STI that has condensation issues in the PCV system anyway. But the nice thing is I have a catch can now catching all that stuff. So this should have been installed from factory. But she's good now, right? Now, hopefully the fuel leak isn't something that I have to keep, I don't want to uninstall that intake. I really, really don't. That was an all-day event, and I don't want to do it again. So, please, car gods, please. Well, hopefully that's not an issue, but that's what's in the catch can. I'm going to clean this baby up. I'm going to put some thread tape on the bottom plug and reinstall. All right? Peace, everybody.